Let's take a look on the functions and features in AutoCAD Civil 3D 2009, which is also included in the Civil Plus developed by PDS. This is the interface for AutoCAD Civil 3D 2009. As you can see, all the menus does not relate to AutoCAD or even AutoCAD LT, but the command line remains unchanged. You can change the command line location at the bottom or at the top of your model. You can still run normal AutoCAD commands such as polyline, and you can complete the polyline by closing using the AutoCAD command. And the object that you have drawn is still normal AutoCAD polyline object. If you need to switch the interface to normal AutoCAD instead of the Civil Plus interface, you can change the workspace to the dedicated AutoCAD environment in user interface. Whatever you have drawn previously will be remained unchanged or retained on the model space. The user interchange will be changed to the normal AutoCAD menus and buttons, also icons. You can also switch to the Map 3D function for GIS tools, or you can go for the Civil 3D interface. You can still run the normal AutoCAD command on top of Civil 3D interface. Let's run the zoom command. The zoom extent in the Civil Plus is ZE, and when you hit the enter, it will be extend. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom, pan, as well as rotate in 3D if you have the 3D data in the drawing.